This is the best chicken stroganoff recipe. Easy, quick, super delicious. We're going to start by adding 1 chopped onion into a pan with some oil, along with 2 chopped garlic cloves. Let's turn that heat up to medium and saute that together. Once that's sauteed, go ahead and add 1 kilogram of chicken. Mix that chicken well with the onion and garlic. And you'll see that that chicken will start to change color, and that is a good sign. All right, after everything is mixed up, let's go ahead and season. I'm going to start with some salt. Now, all of these seasonings are totally optional. I'm also going to add some black pepper, some paprika, and let's finish off with some oregano. Now, you can add fewer seasonings, you can add more seasonings. The tip here is just to season whatever way you prefer. And of course, you can replace these spices with any others of your choice. Let's give that a good stir. Make sure that chicken is well coated. After mixing well, our meat is nice and seasoned. It's important that that chicken cooks well. I'm going to put a cover on this and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now, you can also add water if you prefer, but that is optional. Or oil will help speed things up as well. All right, at this point, I'm now going to add 1 chopped tomato. And we really want to let those tomatoes cook down until they're wilted. Stir everything to combine. And we're going to finish cooking this over a low heat. You can just see how those tomatoes are really starting to fall apart. The tomato is soft and almost looks like a sauce. All right, I'm now going to add a tablespoon of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of mustard as well. Let's mix everything together again. And really, in just a few minutes, you are going to have a perfect sauce. If you've never had this stroganoff recipe, you've got to give it a try at home. If you make it for your family, just get ready to receive a ton of compliments. They're going to love it. All right, now that you've finished, we're going to switch off the heat, and we're now going to be adding 300 grams of heavy cream. Now, when you add heavy cream to a recipe, it can curdle, so be careful. If you don't want to use cream, you can replace that with mayonnaise if you prefer. The tip here is just to make this a super creamy recipe. This is the ideal result that we're hoping for. The texture of this stroganoff is perfect. And I love to serve this with noodles, rice, potatoes, whatever side dish you prefer. And our recipe is ready. Look at this. Let's give it a try. My kitchen smells incredible. I'm going to have mine with some straw potatoes. Get your family together because it's time to eat. Enjoy!